Hey guys, just a little extra help for the name background. So one of the things I've been hearing is when we find our images, we're struggling to bring this in. So again, I'm just right clicking. I'm going to do copy image. And then I'm going into where I've already put my name. It seems like everybody's not having any problems with that. And then I'm simply going to do Control and V. And the image shows up. And now I can drag this to make it the size I want. So it's going to cover everything. And I could move it around as well. But then from here, we can start doing the things that they were talking about with turning the transparency down so I can kind of line this up. The rest of the tutorial does a good job getting you ready for the other stuff. The other problem some people have been having is with the glow and effects. So make sure that you have your image layer selected, and then you want to come up to filter. And then this is going to be an outer glow. So that was a little different than what's in the video, but I know most of you figured that out. The video does show you how to clean up all that those steps, and they do a great job of that too. So this is like a second one. I highly discourage you from doing this. But in here, this gives you the ability to kind of change it. For mine, I obviously changed mine to like yellow, and I picked a bright one, so you get the idea of how you can select your colors and play with it. Again, this is way more. You can play with the opacity of it and the feather, but I think you get the idea. That's where you find it. So those were just two little things, and again, you'd want to clean up the mess. The video does a great job with that. So there's just a little extra help, and I hope that does in fact help.